Hello everyone, this is another video of me. Um, and this is something I made. It's kind of cool, and you can only do it on creative. Actually, you can do it all times, but um, it is kind of cool if you slope this. Look at it. The longest it can be is here. You see? Then you have to slope this shit and go down here. What shit happened? Oh, I didn't try that yet. Okay, it doesn't work. But I'm gonna show you how it works. What it works like this. You make a normal cobblestone generator, but with a hole here, so the lava can never be obsidian. You put a normal piston there, and then you make this machine. It's a clock, and so you can make this. Yay!